What if your next trip could be smoother, more efficient, and more fun without the stress of last-minute packing or forgotten essentials? Have you ever wondered how some people manage to travel without the chaos that comes with it? What if there were gadgets designed specifically to make your journey more seamless, no matter where you're headed? In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 travel gadgets that'll make every trip easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning a vacation, these tech tools will help you stay organized, connected, and prepared without breaking a sweat. From keeping your devices powered up to ensuring your luggage is always with you, these gadgets are absolute game changers for 2026 travelers. Let's jump right in. 1. Tech pouch. When it comes to staying organized during travel, nothing beats a good tech pouch. If you've ever been stuck on a plane or in an airport, scrambling through your bag to find your charging cables, you know the struggle. A compact, well-designed tech pouch, like the AirSlim Tech Pouch, solves this problem effortlessly. Inside, you can store all the essentials, including MagTaim cables that are sleek and thin, with built-in magnets that keep everything neat and organized. The Taurus Ultra Slim Power Bank is also a must-have in your pouch. It's lightweight, slim, and powerful enough to keep your devices running while you're on the go. The best part? Its MagSafe design makes it incredibly convenient. Just snap it onto your device and charge without hassle. By using a tech pouch, you'll keep all your essentials, chargers, power banks, and adapters together in one place, making it easy to grab whatever you need quickly. 2. MP3 player and Bluetooth setup. We live in a time where smartphones do it all, but here's a cool gadget that can enhance your travel experience: the MP3 player. At first, it might sound old-fashioned, but this gadget is a real travel lifesaver, especially when you're trying to save your phone's battery for more important tasks. The MP3 player serves as a dedicated music and entertainment device. Using an MP3 player instead of your phone means you can enjoy your favorite tunes, podcasts, or audiobooks without draining your phone's battery. Some of these devices come with built-in features like Android 13 and can even support apps like YouTube, so you can still have a versatile entertainment experience. Now let's talk about Bluetooth headphones. Pair these up with your MP3 player, and you're all set for long flights or road trips. If you're all about sound quality, the KZ Duet cable is a fantastic addition for that crystal clear audio. 3. AirFly Bluetooth transmitter. Imagine boarding a plane and having to listen to a movie or music through the airline's standard headphones. Not the best experience, right? This is where the AirFly Bluetooth transmitter comes into play. This small device plugs into the airplane's headphone jack, letting you use your AirPods Pro or other Bluetooth headphones for an immersive experience. The real magic happens when you combine the AirFly transmitter with noise-canceling headphones like the Sony XM1000 or AirPods Pro. The sound quality on these devices is exceptional, and when paired with the AirFly, you're blocking out the loud hum of the plane, enhancing your relaxation. On top of that, it helps save your phone's battery because you won't need to rely on streaming from your phone's Bluetooth to the plane's entertainment system. 4. Nilkin Cube Pocket Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Traveling light is essential, especially for business trips, but lugging around a bulky laptop can be a hassle. That's where the Nilkin Cube Pocket Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard comes in. This compact, foldable keyboard is ideal for anyone who needs a portable solution to work on the go. It pairs seamlessly with iPads or other devices, giving you a mini workstation wherever you are. The keyboard is small, lightweight, and supports Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to connect up to 3 devices simultaneously. Whether you need to send a quick email or write up an important document, the Nilkin Cube keyboard provides the perfect on-the-go solution. Plus, its surprisingly comfortable typing experience will make you forget you're working on a portable device. This is perfect for frequent travelers who don't want to sacrifice productivity. It's compact enough to carry in your bag and durable enough to handle the rough conditions of travel. With this foldable keyboard, you can work efficiently while on the move, keeping you connected and productive throughout your trip. 5. Leeson 360 Magnetic Phone Holder. Keeping your phone secure and accessible is key. when traveling, and the Leeson 360 magnetic phone holder is an excellent solution for hands-free convenience. Whether you're using it on a plane, in a car, or at your hotel, this phone holder uses a strong magnetic suction to attach to any flat surface. The beauty of the Leeson phone holder is that it works on almost any surface, giving you a flexible way to keep your phone at eye level. It's perfect for watching videos, reading, or even video calling while keeping your hands free. No more awkwardly propping up your phone with random items or struggling to find a surface for it. The magnetic base ensures your phone stays in place, while the 360-degree rotation lets you adjust the angle to suit your needs. This phone holder isn't just a travel accessory, it's an everyday essential. Its versatility makes it a must-have for anyone who needs their phone in view without the hassle of holding it. 6. Level 8 suitcase. When traveling with family, a reliable suitcase can make a world of difference. Enter the Level 8 Voya Assure Carry-On. This durable, lightweight suitcase makes packing and moving through airports a breeze. With smooth wheels and an impressive, sleek design, it's not just functional, it also looks great. What sets the Level 8 suitcase apart is its attention to detail. It features multiple compartments that help keep your belongings organized. You won't have to worry about your clothes getting crumpled because the straps keep everything neat. Plus, the suitcase's wide handle makes it easy to lift even over curbs or stairs, which is essential when you're managing luggage with kids. Its minimalistic design allows it to be stylish without being flashy, so you won't stand out in a bad way. The Level 8 Voya Assure suitcase is an investment in making your travels smoother, more organized, and far less stressful. 7. Torres Flex Line 67W Retractable Charger. For hotel stays, charging your devices can be a real hassle. Cables are always too short, or outlets are in awkward spots. The Torres Flex Line 67W retractable charger solves that problem by offering a retractable cable that keeps everything neat and tidy. This charger has 2 ports and can charge multiple devices at the same time. Whether you're charging your MacBook, iPad, or iPhone, the Torres charger is powerful enough to handle all your devices with ease. It's tested for durability, having undergone over 10,000 pulls, so it's a product built to last. No more dealing with tangled cords or carrying multiple chargers on your trip. This compact, reliable charger is perfect for travelers who want to keep their charging setup simple and stress-free. And the best part? It helps manage your devices without taking up too much space, making it an ideal addition to your travel essentials. 8. Orzen Zip Trifold Portable Projector. For those who love to watch movies on the go, the Orzen Zip Trifold Portable Projector is a must-have. It folds down into a compact size, making it super easy to pack. Despite its small size, it delivers excellent picture quality, perfect for watching your favorite shows or movies in a hotel room or even while camping. The Orzen Zip Trifold is powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, offering about an hour and a half of watch time. Plus, you can easily connect it to your phone, MacBook, or Android device to stream media. It's lightweight, portable, and doesn't require a tripod to stand, making it one of the most versatile travel gadgets for entertainment. Whether you're on the road or at your destination, this projector adds a whole new level of enjoyment to your trip, allowing you to create a mini theater anywhere. And there you have it. These 8 travel gadgets will make your next trip easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, these tools will help you stay organized, connected, and stress-free throughout your journey. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on traveling smarter, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below and let us know which gadget you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.